Okay, David Jones of David Jones Marketing back again with another Cliqly video. And this video, we're going to be focusing on Cliqly commissions. Cliqly commissions. Now, I feel impressed to do a commissions video for you today, primarily because there's nothing better than social proof. And, it helps to keep up in their series, although I'm sure they'll find something negative to say about this video. Probably constructing screenshots, but I can tell you I'm using Zoom to record this. I'm sharing my screen, and you can see my name up here in the corner, David Jones. Total commissions this week. So I started yesterday. Today is my second day of this week, and I'm already at 36.55 in commissions for the week. So that's not bad. So let's check it out. This is the Conversion House Media. This is the arm of Cliqly that basically will calculate and send out your commission payments when you hit your $300 threshold. The purpose of this video is to share with you some of the aspects of those commissions and hopefully to show you that they are real and that you would want to really take me up on this Cliqly offer because it's real. I don't promote anything that is foul or will be considered illegitimate or, as you guys like to use that word so often, scam. I'm not going to promote anything that is a scam. And I did promise you last time that I also wanted to more or less share with you something that I came across. I don't know if I'm going to find it because I saw it in a chat, and the chat usually generates a lot of activity, but I will try to see if I can find it. And it is where a person gave a breakdown as to the terminology of scam. So I want to find that because I really wanted to share that with you. But while I am seeking to find that, let me carry on with what I'm talking about in today's video. So in today's video, we're looking at Cliqly commissions. So one of the things that you need to know about Cliqly and their commission structure is that basically what we're doing is we're sending emails daily. We're sending some 75,000 emails in our Cliqly step one. We're sending 15 emails, and we're sending these 15 emails to 5,000 persons each time. So that's a total of 75,000 emails. You've heard me say this before. And in step two, we're sending out 2 emails to 40,000 people. And we've broken that down in 2 steps where we send out 1 email to 20,000 and then we send out the second email to the same 20,000. So we've basically sent 2 emails, 20,000, 40,000 emails in all. And those 40,000 emails we send out, the amount that get opened that are considered new openers, in other words, they've never opened an email from us before, they get added to our email list. That's how we build our list. And then in the step one, those persons who have opened and gone on to click links in those emails that were sent out earns us 10 cents. And this is what now we're seeing here. So since I joined Cliqly over a week ago, I'm now on to week 2. Basically, my level 1 commission, which is the clicks, right? I have generated 777 clicks in my Cliqly experience at 10 cents per click. That's a total of $77. Okay. You'll notice here that it also has another tier here, CPA offered commission. So the difference between week 1 and week 2 for me is that I am now an upgraded Cliqly member. So I'm an official Cliqly member. So having upgraded, the system now has unlocked certain opportunities for me. One of which is that I can now send clicks to CPA offers, where if the person opens the link and opens the email, sorry, and clicks a link and makes a purchase, then I make some serious commissions. But the thing with that is that that is a hit or miss, because even though a person may open the email and may go on to click a link, there is no guarantee that having clicked the link that that person will actually buy. So it's a hit or miss. The thing about it is that if you send enough emails and you get even one person purchasing, one person purchasing could very well pay for that email campaign that you just had. Because depending on what offer you send them, you could make as high as $140 in commission. So that's what that is here, CPA offer commission. I don't have any of those as yet. Then you have Cliqly referral commission at $121.85. So that Cliqly referral commission is made up of basically the number of sales coming in through referrals. And you also have something here called a one-time bonus. I'm not quite sure yet how I get that one-time bonus, but I obviously don't have it. But here you'll see that the Cliqly referral commission is $121.85. How did I generate that? Well, you'll see it says here number of sales 2. One of those is a referral, someone that I referred to Cliqly. They not only signed up for it, but they're upgraded. By the time they upgrade, anybody that you refer to Cliqly and they upgrade, that first $97 that they pay comes to you. So when they pay that 97 bucks, it comes straight to you. Now, you may say, great, so I made $97 on that first, on that upgrade. Is that the extent of my making money with that person? No. For the life of the time that that person is in Cliqly and they are under you, what happens then is simply this. What happens is that any purchases that they make going forward of Cliqly packages, this which will be credits and so forth, you make 5% on their purchases. I will, well, I was going to say something just now, but I forgot that I am leaving that specifically for a video specifically on that nature. And what I was going to mention just now was the part where I speak to you about the fact that with Cliqly, you can you have a lot of you can get coupons and a lot of like freebies and a lot of offers, insane offers that helps you build and maximize your business. But I'll do a video specifically exclusively to that. I just wanted to share with you in this one the commission. So right now my commissions are at $199.55, and all I need to do is get at least another referral coming in here at $97, which would push me to 200. Let's see, 97, 916, 1 and 9, 296, and then just one day's email sending out to push me over the $300 mark, and boom, that sets me up then to earn a commission, or should I say, have a commission run where my commissions then are paid and sent to me. And as I said to you before, when those commissions come in, rather than just take that money and burn it or splurge it, take some of that money, if not all of it, reinvest it in your business, get more credits, send more emails, make more money, get more referrals and really boost your system. There are some people, man, who are killing it where it comes to referrals with this program. There's no reason why you can't. If I scroll down a little further, just to see what else is down the page. Um, okay, so commission paid history is not found because I have not yet generated a threshold of 300 bucks so that I can be paid. But I can tell you it's just around the corner because you see here I am at 199.55. By tomorrow, this 199.55 should be at least probably 225 or something like that. And I will be on the home base. I will be on the home run stretch, as it were. So you'll see here, it says here, please note that there is a $300 minimum payment threshold. And once you get there, your commissions, once you reach that threshold, you will be contacted for your payment information. So I'll just get to that and then wait for them to contact me, give them the details they ask for, and boom, I'm paid the next week. All right. And they send you out your payment by wire transfer. So I am looking forward to that. So that's all for this video. Cliqly commissions. If you want to join with me and Cliqly because you enjoy the videos that I'm creating for you, I'm showing you the system. I'm being very transparent. I'm not hiding anything. And if you have questions, you can leave your comments on the video and I will get back to you. The description part of this video will have my link so that you can join me and Cliqly. And when you join me in Cliqly, not only do you have access to these videos, but also as I learn the system, as I get more information, I will be putting out future videos. So you would probably want to subscribe as well because Cliqly isn't the only money making program I'm in. I'm also in a couple of high ticket affiliate marketing programs. If you're interested in that, you might want to check some of my other videos. And actually, I'm going to make some more some videos now around that, around the program that I'm doing. So that's basically it, folks. And that's all for this video. So thank you for watching. This is David Jones. Actually, you know what? Let me refresh this page before I go. And you notice here at the top, you're seeing 36.55. Let me refresh that and see if that has changed. Yep, it's at $37 now. So you see, you can really see in real time what is happening for you as far as the commissions that you're earning. And just now you saw that I was at $199. Now I'm at $200.05. So you see, there you have live proof that my commissions are climbing. So that's it for this video. This has been David Jones, and thank you for watching. Come back soon. We're going to do a video next time around on the actual freebies and insane packages and value you can get from the system here. And I look forward to sharing that with you. David Jones Marketing, over and out.